Thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we're assembling a 17-inch tall, L-shaped modern garden bed. This video can be referenced for all modern garden bed models. Beginning with the corners, slide the straight panels into the corner posts, making sure that the pre-drilled holes are aligned, secure with the screws provided. Continue adding panels and posts around the exterior of the L-shape, securing with screws. Then, assemble the notched portion of the L-shape separately, using the L-shaped corner post and two panels, securing all parts with the screws provided. Now that the exterior is assembled, the interior bracing must be added. First, attach the connector to the inside of the notched corner of the L-shape as shown, aligned with the fourth bolt hole from the top for L-shaped beds, or the third hole from the top for rectangular beds. Secure the connector with bolts and nuts, reaching into the channel of the panel to tighten the nut. Then secure the bracing bar into each connector with bolts and nuts and tighten. The next step is to insert the aluminum caps into the top of the posts and tap into place with a rubber mallet. We hope this video helped you, and we're wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.